Choosing the right gear can transform your outdoor rest into real comfort. The best camping cots offer stable support, durability, and quick setup, helping you sleep better under the open sky while keeping you elevated, comfortable, and ready for the next day's adventure. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Fragess 600 pounds Camping Cot. The Fragess 600 pounds Camping Cot is a standout option for anyone seeking comfort and durability on outdoor trips or even at home. Its extra soft mattress provides a restful sleeping experience and is removable, making it easy to adjust to warmer weather. The mattress arrives compressed, but a few hours of fluffing will restore its full comfort. Designed with portability in mind, this cot sets up and folds down effortlessly, fitting neatly into the included carry bag. The triangular steel frame is robust and stable, capable of supporting up to 600 pounds without squeaking or wobbling, making it ideal for larger adults. Each leg features non-slip pads for added safety, while the cot itself measures 75 by 28 by 13.8 inches, giving ample space for a comfortable night's rest. The 28-inch width and 18-degree head tilt create a natural and ergonomic sleeping position, improving comfort for longer naps or overnight stays. Whether used for camping, home, or office, this cot combines thoughtful design, heavy-duty construction, and ease of portability, making it one of the most versatile sleeping solutions available for adults seeking reliable comfort in any environment. Number 2 is ONETIGRIS 330 pounds Camping Cot. The ONETIGRIS 330 pounds Camping Cot offers a lightweight yet sturdy solution for campers and outdoor enthusiasts. Constructed with 300D Oxford fabric and aircraft-grade 7075 aluminum legs, this cot is both rip-resistant and water-resistant, while providing stability that supports up to 330 pounds. Its two height options, 15.75 inches and 5.9 inches, make it adaptable to uneven or damp terrain, offering flexibility as either a higher bed or a low tent cot. Setup is quick and simple thanks to a clever leverage locking mechanism, allowing users to get ready in just a few minutes. Practical design features include a side pocket for storing gadgets, phones, or snacks, as well as a storage net underneath for clothing or small essentials, keeping items organized and accessible. Measuring 74.8 by 27.5 inches, the cot is wider than many alternatives, providing extra comfort for a restful sleep. Number 3. Sportneer Lbs Camping Cot. The Sportneer Lbs Camping Cot delivers comfort and stability for outdoor adventures and indoor use alike. Equipped with a soft, removable mattress, it adapts to seasonal changes, keeping you warm in winter and cool during summer. The mattress provides a comfortable sleeping surface comparable to a regular bed, making this cot ideal for camping, hiking, or even guest stays. Setup is simple and tool-free. The cot unfolds in seconds and can be folded down for compact storage in the included carry bag, enhancing portability. Its heavy-duty steel frame, paired with 1200D Oxford fabric, ensures durability, waterproofing, and dirt resistance, while supporting up to 450 pounds for a reliable sleeping surface. Thoughtful design features include dual side pockets for phones, books, water bottles, or glasses, keeping essentials within easy reach. With its combination of portability, sturdy construction, and thoughtful features, the Sportneer cot is suitable for multiple environments, including camping sites, beaches, or home use. Number 4. Coleman 300 pounds Camping Cot. The Coleman 300 pounds Camping Cot combines practicality and comfort for casual and frequent campers. Featuring a steel frame, it provides reliable support for individuals weighing up to 300 pounds, while the extra wide design ensures a spacious sleeping surface for adults up to 6 feet 6 inches tall. Its polyester construction offers durability and easy maintenance, and the removable side table with cup holder adds a convenient touch for keeping drinks or personal items nearby. At 80 by 44 by 17 inches, the cot is roomy enough for extended outdoor stays without feeling cramped. Lightweight and foldable, it is easy to store and transport, making it suitable for camping trips, backyard use, or even as a temporary bed at home. While straightforward in design, the Coleman cot prioritizes functional comfort and reliability, providing a solid sleeping option that balances affordability with quality. Whether you're planning a weekend in the wilderness or accommodating overnight guests, this cot delivers stable support, thoughtful convenience, and a simple, durable design that makes it a dependable choice for adults seeking an easy-to-use camping bed. Number 5. ATORPOK 450 pounds Camping Cot. The ATORPOK 450 pounds camping cot is built for both comfort and durability, offering an all-in-one design that integrates a soft cushion and a built-in pillow for optimal rest. Unlike cots with separate mattresses, this design eliminates the hassle of assembly while ensuring a comfortable sleep surface. Setup is quick and effortless, taking just seconds, and the cot folds neatly into the included storage bag, making it highly portable for camping, travel, hiking, or indoor use. Its large side pocket provides convenient storage for phones, water bottles, or other essentials, keeping everything within easy reach. The heavy-duty steel tubing and X-shaped frame delivers strength and stability, supporting up to 450 pounds without wobbling or squeaking. Its sturdy construction and thoughtful design make it a versatile option for outdoor adventures, office naps, or home use, accommodating heavier adults comfortably. With the focus on durability, comfort, and portability, the ATORPOK Camping Cot provides a practical sleeping solution that combines ease of use with reliable support. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.